In this video, let's talk about are 4-lug to 5-lug adapters safe on your Force-body Mustang. As long as you set up everything correctly, it is very safe to run Force-body Mustang 4-lug to 5-lug adapters. These 4-lug to 5-lug adapters are designed to help with any wheel fitment problems. Even if you get aftermarket wheels with a non-compatible wheel bolt pattern, you do not have to get them up. In fact, wheel spacers can fit it pretty simple. By installing 4-lug to 5-lug adapters on your Force-body Mustang, you can change your 4-lug wheel bolt pattern to adopt 5-lug wheels. These new wheels will be available on your car in no time. For decades, a lot of people use 4-lug to 5-lug adapters for years with no problems. Any wheel bolt pattern adapter will likely come with some form of instruction. You will place a 4-lug to 5-lug adapters on the Force-body Mustang up, and then use the matching wheel bolt to fasten it. Then secure your new wheels on the adapter with the OEM wheel lug. 2 sets of wheel lugs fasten the adapters and wheels on your Force-body Mustang. So as long as you track all the wheel lugs to correct fork specifications, there will be no issues. High-quality Force-body Mustang 4-lug to 5-lug adapters won't disappoint you. Manufacturers determine the quality of wheel adapters, such as the manufacturing process, the material, and the testing that the adapters were put through. If you're looking for just Force-body Mustang 4-lug to 5-lug adapters, these factors are useful to help you narrow down the range. All in all, it is recommended to buy from reputable brand manufacturers. From the most basic theory to accurate drawing and mapping, Bonus in those meticulous cut and stretch requirements. After the premium forging process, the strength is greatly improved. Both forged 6061T6 and 3075T6 aluminum are available. Your Force-body Mustang 4-lug to 5-lug adapters benefit from high precision. So far, Bonus has maintained a tight tolerance at 0.02 mm. The more precision the contact face is, the easier they can sit pressed up against the vehicle hub and the wheel, the less chance of vibration. When it comes to the safety 4-lug to 5-lug adapters, always choose the general brand set. Certainly, reputable manufacturers make nice conversion wheel spacers. A general brand typically becomes a general brand because it has developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and factories only use processes that have been proven to be safe. The safety Force-body Mustang 4-lug to 5-lug adapters go through many safety tests before leaving factories, such as impact resistance, tensile strength, and hardness. These performance tests are intended to make your Force-body Mustang 4-lug to 5-lug adapter safer. Bonus wheel spacers commonly express performance well data. Besides the Bonus 4-lug to 5-lug adapters, competitive packaging are supplied with over 66 SGS&T with authoritative certification report. In addition, general Bonus 4-lug to 5-lug adapters come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.